Hi, this is Gnan Anand. In this video, I'll be sharing with you few of my personalized exam scoring techniques. Please note that these are my personal and own experiences. For your high scores, you will have to build your own specialized, customized techniques. Your library is the first step towards your scores. Once the semester starts, go to your library, collect all the past 10 years question paper of your subjects. Next, when the semester starts, you will be having your syllabus book always in your hand so that you can collect the syllabus mentioned reference books. I am not telling about the textbooks, reference books in the library. Search those and keep those in hand. Go to your classes properly, attend each and every class, and during your classes your professors will be teaching you everything, but they will be highlighting some of the words which are keywords and some of the sentences which are important sentences, and they keep repeating, stressing upon in their tones and on the board. So please note those particular sentences and words which are being stressed properly in your notebook. I am telling you to note these particular keywords and sentences properly because the professor wants you to remember these for your lifetime so that you will be successful in your career. Whatever the topic it is, note those keywords and points because these particular keywords will be appearing in your exams and definitely they will be useful throughout your life because your lecturer has that particular knowledge and experience that he wants you to remember these for your life, so he keeps on repeating stresses upon the keywords and the sentences. Some professors has an habit of writing a separate line on the shoulder on the right side or the left side and writing the keywords there after he teaches each topic. So you also make an habit, you note the same keywords on your notes so that it will be helpful in your further studies. Now, when one topic or your chapter completes, now the time comes to how to make your scores. Take out all the 10-year question papers. In those question papers, search the questions related to the completed chapter and write them down in a separate paper. And now the references books will come to you handy. Check all the answers of those particular chapters question paper questions in your reference books and note those answers also separately. I am stressing upon reference books particularly because the textbooks will just teach you, but the reference books will make you understand the topic thoroughly, means thoroughly, completely. That what will help you in your exams. Next is take out your class notes books. In that you have the keywords and the sentences which were stressed by your professor, and see those as answers and think as the professor that how these answers can be got as questions. So note those questions and think those questions and note down the answers. Now you are ready with the last 10-year question papers and their questions and their answers, which are chapter wise, and you are also ready with the questions which were stressed by the professor in the classes. So you are now exam ready. You are just ready, not completely ready. For that, when the exam time comes, you need not stress or get tensed for the exams. You have all the things ready in your hand, the question papers, answers, and their questions, and the class exam question papers and the answers. Combine them together in particular sequence in a separate paper, and this separate paper will be the only thing you will carry to the exams. You need not to carry any reference books or the textbooks to the exam hall because these books will make more tense. You will carry only the one sheet you have prepared for the question papers questions and the notes questions. That would be more than sufficient. I'm going to give you some extra information. Why I suggested last 10-year question paper? Because those are the questions and those are the answers which will be useful throughout your career, which are known by your professors. That's why they are repeating the similar or same questions in your exams. Then next is, why did I refer particularly for reference books? Reference books are one library in a book for that particular topic. Once you go through the reference books, you will study the extra things also with a particular question or the answers, so that you are totally knowledgeable and well prepared for your life. The last drop, I said it for one chapter you need to prepare for this, and similarly you will have to prepare for every chapter in your syllabus book for that particular subject, and then you are exam ready perfectly. There is a special note, dear students. Always the technique what I have told will fetch you up to 70% of the marks, and the other 20% will be dependent on your expertise, your listening skills, your learning skills during the class, and the last 10% is your confidence and the prayer towards the God. Start your study with a prayer and end your study with a prayer. Hari Om.